Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with the Robinhood stock app. Getting started with Robinhood is straightforward. You can open an account with no minimum balance required. The platform allows you to trade stocks and exchange-traded funds, or ETF, completely commission-free. Plus, you can invest in fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of a company for as little as $1, making investing accessible to everyone. One excellent way to generate passive income on Robinhood is through dividend investing. Many companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. You can also enable dividend reinvestment, or DRIP, to automatically buy more shares, compounding your returns over time. Additionally, with Robinhood Gold, you can earn interest on your uninvested cash, making your money work for you even when it's not actively invested. For those seeking more advanced strategies, Robinhood offers options trading. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specific price. While options can offer fantastic profit potential, they also involve significant risk and are not suitable for all investors. Always remember to diversify your portfolio across various assets to help manage and reduce overall investment risk. For long-term growth, consider setting up recurring investments. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, involves investing a fixed amount regularly, which can help smooth out market fluctuations over time. You might also gain access to initial public offerings, or IPO, allowing you to invest in companies before they go public. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.